This is Joe on the Okie Woodsman channel. I'm getting those Proyama saws to a better home. I just don't have the knowledge or the time to troubleshoot and make them what they ought to be. Today I'm delivering them to the Rusty Garage and Homestead. I did really want to go ahead and work on this machine, but again, I've got other saws and I don't have a lot of interest in a plastic cased steel. That's one of those time things. I wanted to try to take that apart and get it cleaned out, and then I just ran out of time, you know? So if you want to check out the journey of these saws to see what happens with them, make sure you go ahead and visit Mike at the Rusty Garage and Homestead. He's built that clone 660. He has a mechanic background. He's got a lot of cool stuff to show you on his channel as well. I think these are going to go to the right home.
I'm looking forward to putting them together and trying to see if I can get something figured out on them.
What I've done is I've traded him for some camera equipment that I need. So this is a really nice thing. It helps both of us out, I think. And I personally feel like I'm getting the better end of the deal. So I appreciate it. And I don't know if he's just trying to be kind, but I just appreciate it very much.
I'll make use out of these at some point. I'm curious to see how the Proyama top handle holds up against the Pinkway. They're both two Chinese chainsaws, so we'll see. We'll kind of do a battle on those and see which one actually performs better, and see if we can get some of these other ones running just a little bit better.
We're going to go ahead and do some farm chores today. Get some cool videos shot. We have some ideas. I'm going to be checking out his new TYM tractor, and I'm excited to get started. Oh, there you go. That's a nice log. Mike got both saws modified. I'm going to set this off to the side and just let it run for a little bit.